We created a checklist from CarBuddy AI. Now let's take a look at it and use it. We're back at the vehicle details page. We're going to select the to-dos tab. As previously mentioned, we're going to take a look at the output from the checklist we created with the CarBuddy AI chat. Select checklists. We see the checklist we created with CarBuddy AI. Now, to see all the detail, click View. Here you see an exhaustive checklist to prepare this vehicle, for an 11-day adventure in Baja. You can individually delete items, add items if you wish, and also reorder them. Select the dots to drag and change the location of any checklist item. Next, let's mark 3 items as completed on our Baja checklist. If you like a checklist and you think you want to use it again, you can save it as a template. Once you saved a checklist template, from the to-do screen, click the checklist button and you'll see your template. And there it is. There's only one template here, but you can save as many as you'd like.